Today I will show you how to make the famous Tres Leches cake. Tres Leches is a Spanish style, Mexican style cake, which is delicious. Tres meaning three and leches meaning milk. So there are three types of milk that go into making this cake. So let me go over the items that we need. Today I'm going to be using a cake mix. It's a French vanilla cake mix, and for that I would need, and it says right on the bottom on the back what we need. It's 1 cup water, 1 cup water. We have half a cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs. So that's all that we need to prepare the cake. After that, you would also need the 3 different types of milk, which is evaporated milk, 1 can. You would need condensed, sweetened condensed milk, about a can. I use a little bit less because I don't like it to be extra sweet. And a regular whole milk, about half a cup. We would also need the half a cup. The other thing that we need would be whipping cream. This is 1/4 cup sugar for the whipping cream, and some fruit to garnish and decorate. I like to put strawberries inside the cake. Okay, so let's get started with preparing the cake first. So we lined our pans and sprayed them also. And so let's get started. So this makes it a lot easy because there's not much to it. You have to bake this for about 30 minutes. Go ahead and put in the oil, the water, 1 cup water, and the 3 eggs. Start mixing. Okay, so the batter is all ready. I'm just going to pour it in our cake pan and set it in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay. So while the cakes are in the oven, let's go ahead and make our tres leches, the 3 milks together, mix them together. This is what we will pour over the cake once it is cooled. Okay. So I'm using about a little over half for the condensed milk because I don't like it too sweet. And the evaporated, I used about the same. Okay, we're gonna mix it. Mix it well, and then set it in the fridge. For the fresh cream frosting, we'll take about 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Actually, let me take a little bit more, about 1.5 cup. And 1/4 cup of sugar. We'll mix. Okay, this is the consistency we're looking for. So now I'm going to put this back in the refrigerator to make sure that it's nice and cool. Okay, so we have our beautiful cakes ready. Okay, so we have the first cake here. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the top a little bit to make it straight. What we'll do is just poke it with fork, and now the fun starts. Go ahead and pour this luscious milk all over it. And put the whipped topping. Chopped strawberries all over it. other cake on top. You have to do the same thing. Soak it with tres leches. Go ahead and cover the cake with the rest of the icing. So here we have it. Now we're gonna go ahead and garnish it. There you go, tres leches cake. It's luscious berry goodness.